morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is constellations above, the cosmic grace blessing humanity. Ladies and gentlemen, in the stillness of the night sky, constellations appear not merely as arrangements of stars, but as enduring symbols of cosmic grace, silent, precise, and ever present. Across cultures and civilizations, these star patterns have guided navigators, inspired poets, and awakened seekers to the invisible architecture of the universe. They are not merely lights, but living reminders that humanity is intimately woven into a galactic design far beyond immediate perception. A constellation is a designated area on the celestial sphere where visible stars form patterns perceived by the human eye. Though the stars within these groupings are often vast distances apart, their collective appearance from Earth evokes familiar shapes of mythic figures, animals, and symbols, offering stories from Babylonian, Greek, Chinese, and Indian cosmologies alike. Modern astronomy recognizes 88 official constellations, mapping the sky in a universal framework. But behind this scientific order lies something deeper, a gateway to understanding humanity's place within the cosmos. Ancient Indian astronomy introduced the concept of nakshatras, 27 or 28 lunar mansions marking the moon's path through the zodiac. Each nakshatra carries distinct energetic signatures, deities, and influences over human traits, rhythms, and destinies. Unlike the Western static constellations, these are dynamic, woven into daily life, spirituality, and even medical practices. They illustrate not only stellar position, but the energetic undercurrent flowing between cosmos and consciousness. From the tilted 60-degree plane of our solar system within the Milky Way to the orbital pathways of Earth around Sun, all motion is alignment. And alignment is not random, it is orchestration. Human biology responds to it. The pineal gland, often regarded as a spiritual antenna, is sensitive to light and rhythm. The deep limbic system, the seat of emotional memory, is subtly influenced by electromagnetic patterns emanating from celestial activity. When constellations are perceived with awareness, they do more than inspire wonder. They evoke resonance, as if the human brain, designed as a receiver, amplifier and transmitter, is decoding signals it always knew. What is seen in the sky is not just light, but a shared field of energy where cognition meets cosmology. Disruptions to this natural connection through mental clutter, emotional noise, or unaligned living weaken that signal, muting what is inherently available. The truth remains: all beings are gifted with a shared cosmic system embedded in DNA awaiting reconnection. The constellations above is the architecture. The consciousness within is the key. What's the way forward? The stars ask for no belief. They offer their guidance in silence. Reconnecting with their rhythm begins with attunement, not as ritual, but as presence. Contemplative celestial alignment and intentional engagement with the night sky invites inner clarity. It need not be mystical. Even a moment of reflective stillness under the stars can recalibrate the nervous system, expand perception, and elevate thought. Let modern tools of science illuminate what ancient systems knew intuitively, that the cosmos is not separate but participatory, that the language of stars can be deciphered through a life lived in awareness, gratitude, and aligned intention. Education, research, meditative inquiry, and cross-cultural wisdom sharing can jointly decode this blueprint. The path forward lies in reintegrating cosmobiology, neuroscience, and spiritual understanding, not in silos, but in synergy. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the stars within are waiting to be awakened. Constellations above are not distant ornaments of the night. They are reflections, gentle reminders of an energy already encoded into existence itself. The same cosmic force that breathes life into galaxies also moves through the rhythm of thought, emotion, and purpose. The sky, then, is not a ceiling, but a mirror of what lies within. As the Bhagavad Gita gently affirms, a fragment of myself becomes the living soul in the world of beings. In this vision, the universe is not something outside to be conquered or measured, but a vast, intelligent field in which every life is a thread, luminous, sacred, and interconnected. To understand the stars is not only to witness celestial order, but to recognize the presence of that order mirrored in consciousness. In an age of endless motion and noise, the silent constellations still carry a message, not one of instruction, but of remembrance. May this remembrance bring clarity. May clarity give rise to stillness, and may stillness open the way for the timeless resonance between creation and the created, where no seeking is needed, only the quiet joy of rediscovering that everything above also lives within. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.